Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about the presence of normal flora in our eyes, in our ears and in our skin. So the mostly normal flora which are present in your eyes, skin and ears are mostly seen. Now let's discuss about the normal flora which are present in your respiratory tract. So your respiratory tract is divided into the two parts, your upper respiratory tract and your lower respiratory tract. So your lower respiratory tract is usually sterilized and it has no kind of normal flora in it. And why it has no kind of normal flora? Because it contains mucus. It contains mucus and it is not exposed to the external environment, so therefore it has no kind of normal flora in it. But in the upper respiratory tract, in the nose and throat and in the nasopharynx, we have some kind of normal flora here. So in the nose and throat you have a bacteria which is S. diphtherides, and in the nasopharynx you have streptococcus pneumoniae in it. So this streptococcus pneumoniae will enter into your lungs and ultimately it will cause pneumonia to that patient. Okay, so it will enter whenever the patient immune system is weak. Okay, otherwise it will never enter or cause no pneumonia to that person. So now let's discuss about the normal flora which are present in your oral cavity and in your mouth. Okay, so again there are two types of bacteria which are present in them, mostly bacteria, but it can contain yeast, more like fungi, and some kind of viruses are also present, and protozoa also present. So the bacteria are of two types here, aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. So the aerobic bacteria are Streptococcus aureus and S. epidermis are present, and in the anaerobic bacteria S type steroids are also present, and we have studied that S type steroids are also present in the nose and throat also, and these kind of bacteria also present on your skin, eye and ears. Okay, so in the teeth you have another type of bacteria which is alt mullerians. It is causing dental caries and gingivitis. So dental cavities mean the cavity which appeared on your skin, and gingivitis is a cast, yellow color cast which is appeared on your skin, on your teeth. So this is due to this bacteria which is present on your teeth. Now let's discuss about their disadvantages. Their most of disadvantages are not, but one of their disadvantages is that after the dental surgery, whenever these bacteria can penetrate your skin and enter into your blood, and after entering into the blood they can cause infection to you. They can cause infection, otherwise they are harmless to our body. Okay, so here are the normal flora which are present in your gastrointestinal tract. So your gastrointestinal tract mainly consists of these part, and here you can see that what kind of normal flora are present. So in your stomach, you have no normal flora in it. So here no few kind of bacteria are present. Mostly, no, none of these is present. Why they are not present? Because your stomach pH is quite acidic. So your stomach pH is acidic in nature, and due to presence of various kind of gastric enzyme. So due to this severe kind of environment, normal flora cannot survive in that situation. Now let's discuss about the small intestine. So your small intestine again consists of two parts, the upper part of small intestine and the lower part of small intestine. So the upper part of small intestine contain no type of normal flora in it, but it lower part of small intestine can contain few bacteria in it. Now take the large intestine. So your large intestine is mostly consist of normal flora. About 99% of large intestine contain bacteria in it. Except bacteria, there are other kind of fungi and other kind of viruses are also present. So the most important bacteria which is present in large intestine is the E. coli. So it can survive at that situation and providing a lot of benefits to your large intestine. Now let's see what kind of bacteria are present here. So these are the bacteria which are present. First is the anaerobic bacteria. So here is bacteria species, lactobacteria species, and clostridium species are present. So this bacteria species are responsible for causing you a disease which is called as appendicitis. Okay, so appendicitis is caused by this bacteria. And other are the gram positive coli bacteria are present, which is staphylococcus species, streptococcus species, and enterococcus species. So enterococcus species is only present in your gastrointestinal tract. Okay, and then the last type of bacteria which are present are the gram negative road type bacteria, which is E. coli, which is present in large intestine. Some kind of Pseudomonas species are also present, and Enterobacter species will also be present here. Now, after discussing the normal flora in GIT tract, let's discuss about the normal flora which is present in the urogenital tract. So the word urogenital tract, it consists of your urinary tract and your genital organs. So as you know, your urinary tract consists of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Okay, so your kidney, your urethra, and urinary bladder is sterilized. It contains no kind of normal flora in them. But your lower urethra and your external opening of that urethra will contain some types of bacteria, skin, and viruses on them. So the bacteria in them are mostly similar to the bacteria which are present on your outer skin. So these bacteria are same. Okay, now let's discuss the normal flora which are on your genital organs. So mainly the male and female genitals are sterilized. They contain no normal flora, but a septovagina, it contains lactobacillus bacteria in it. A lactobacillus bacteria is very important because it is keeping the pH acidic in that environment and protecting that organ. So it is very helpful for our vagina. So these are all the types of normal flora which are present in our body in various sites, in our skin, in our air, in our eye, in our respiratory tract, in our oral cavity, in our gastrointestinal tract, and in our urogenital tract. So this was all about the today's lecture. I hope that you will understand this video, and if you like it, then please press the like button, and also press the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon in order to get the notification of all the video which I have uploaded. So thank you so much. I'll meet you soon in the next lecture. Till up, Allah Hafiz.